To get the most out of your advanced digital home phone, here's how to use some of its key features. Your Call Protect service allows you to easily block nuisance calls, diverting them straight to your junk voicemail. You can block a call before, during, or after receiving it. When you receive an incoming call on your Alexa built-in model, Block will appear on the screen. Press the left option button on your keypad while the phone is ringing to block the call. You'll hear an audible confirmation that the number has been added to your personal block list. If you've answered a call and wish to block it, press the left option button once to access the menu and then again to select Block Call. If you've already hung up but want to block the number, press the left option button once to access the menu, then again, and the handset will access your Call Protect menu and give you the option to add the last received number to your block list. To access your Call Protect settings and change which calls are automatically sent to your junk voicemail, from the home screen, press the left option button and then again to bring up the Call Protect menu. From here, you can change your settings, listen to any messages received from your blocked numbers, or unblock any numbers you want to remove from your block list. If you have our Essential handset instead, to use the Call Protect feature, you just need to press the Shield button on your phone's keypad before, during, or after receiving a call to add the number to your block list. To access the Call Protect menu, press the Shield button from the home screen. You can also check your Call Protect settings by using your MyBT. Go to bt.com/mybt to sign in or create an account. These next set of features are accessible on both our Alexa built-in and Essential handsets. Call diversion can be used to divert calls to an alternative phone, so you never miss an important conversation. From the home screen, press the left option button for menu and scroll right once. Press the left option button once to access your calling features menu and again to select Call Diversion. You can set the diversion for all calls, calls received when your phone is busy, or any unanswered calls. Press the left option button to select the one you want. With Setup highlighted, press the left option button again. To choose the number you want calls to be diverted to, you can either key it in manually or select one of your phone's contacts by pressing the left option button and choosing the contact you want to use. Press the left option button once to select the contact and then again to set the diversion. If you have more than one digital home phone connected to your hub, you can use the multi-call function. This enables two phones to be used at the same time to make separate outgoing calls. Or while one is in use, you can continue to take incoming calls on any of the other connected handsets. This can be turned on or off by pressing the left option button from your home screen to access the menu, scrolling to Phone Settings and pressing the left option button again. Scroll down to Line Settings and press the left option button, then scroll down to Call Settings and press it again. With Call Mode highlighted, use the left or right navigation buttons to choose either multi or single call mode and press the left option button to save. If you need further support with your handset setup or for more information on your handset's features, you can visit bt.com/help/digital-voice.